Hello everyone. Today, today we're playing etransport. Which depot to go? Rochow or Rocklasaka? Let's go to Rocklasaka. And look at the tram depot. There are so many trams willing to be choose from. Aha, I think I'll select this one. Which route would I like to select? I think 14 sounds good. 14 to Rockland Signal. I think in Polish that means airport. Yeah, taking those turns like a champ. Oh wow, we really did that like a pro. Let's go to the other direction. Okay, that way is toward Grachau. No, wait, I'm heading the wrong way. Let's go back. I think that way is toward Latno Signo. So yeah, let's back up. Gotta redo. Let's switch track to the other direction. Let's see. Okay, we're heading to our first stop on line 14 and line 31 branches, which is Matsuwa. Transfers available to line 31. Let's brake. In fact, it's the nighttime. Let's turn on the lights. Now we can see better in dark. Let's put on the doors. Looks like no one's stopping me. I don't know why. Anyways, let's head on to the next station. Wait, stand clear. This is our next station, which is Okazoro. You can see the LED lights on there. And also, you can see the route destination on the top of your screen. I guess we're going express route. Looks like nobody's barely using that platform. Wait, Polchema. Wait, I overshoot. Okay, we reached Polchigna. Okay, guess we headed express route again. There goes the side platform of Pochekna. Wait, I think we're at the terminus already. So let's slow down. Wait, there's a platform over here. Let's reverse. Okay, I got on the switch track and now we're heading to an available platform. This is Latno Signo terminus. or Port Loxkency. This is where the station ends at a balloon loop. So let's delete our train. Successfully done. Alright, now I'm gonna get out of this place because it seems kind of boring. Now let's go to the airport. This is a plane to Viento. The next and last stop is Viento. And we're here. So it's 12:54 in the night. So we're approaching near nightfall. This is Viento International Airport. As far as this plane goes, all passengers must leave the plane. Thank you for riding Polish Airways. Man, I gotta get out there. It was too overcrowded. It was a nice trip to Viento. And now it's starting to rain. I guess I better get going home then. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, have a great day. And now I'm going to wait for a shuttle bus.